Well, I've been playing today with my dash cam or sports cam, and I've been checking online on YouTube, and turns out there's already a couple of reviews. It's basically like a no-name, made in China, but it's a good quality cam. I haven't done any videos yet, but see, it's very easy. There's only 3 buttons. I like this much better than the Maya View dash cam, because these buttons here that you have to push, you know, to, let's say if I'm driving and I see something interesting, I have to push this one to start recording and then this one to stop, and it's very hard to, you know, they're so close together, there's no spacing, and you can push like somewhere in the middle and it's not going to do anything, you know, especially when it's just like a bit away from you. Like, really, they're not very good buttons. But this one, I just saw a review. The guy was just really, he says you can just basically walk like this, hold it, you know, sideways. It's and that's all you need, you know. Just this one is power, the middle button. This is start shooting in movie mode. This is picture. And the guy said the quality was good, but the only problem he found was, see this tiny little hole here? That's the mic. And guess what? The guy said that everything was great except the sound. Jesus. So I just spent, what, $240? And he says this mic basically does not improve. The guy did the testing in a car, driving on a freeway, and this was, I think he put it on the rear, like near the rear window. But it does has like everything else is amazing. Like he says, I was looking at the shots. I'll do later some shots. But the sound, I mean, that's a disappointment. Even though I haven't tried it yet, but I'll try. Maybe mine is a bit different. But it's waterproof, so it has all these clamps here, and the controls are just under this clamp. See, like you have to flip open the screen, which is of course a bit of a flaw, as the other reviewer mentioned, because you have to plug in your mic in here. So if you're using an external mic, then you cannot flip this back, so basically you don't have any display, right? And that's where your battery goes in here. And I like that they're using a full-size SD card, and I already bought this one, like a very fast Lexar 16 gigabyte. That's more than enough, but it's 90 megabytes a second. And that's one thing I learned from using my Nikon, is that this is really important. You know, you cannot go with a cheap SD card if you want to make good quality footage. Now, I was trying to set it up in my car because I don't have my truck. My truck is in the shop, right, at the Caterpillar. And I couldn't do that with this. You see, like, they don't give you a windshield mount, they give you a dashboard mount, because this is supposed to sit like this on your dashboard, because this is a really strong suction cup, and then you use these. The bottom has these like 4 holes, and it goes like this, you know. But it does not work on my car, because on my Mazda, all those surfaces are, you know, they're not straight. And I have the screen with all my, you know, like the speedometer is right there. And if I put it close, like, I don't have straight surface. That's the problem. That's what some cars are like that, you know. But then I watch another movie, and they don't even tell you this about this in the manual, like a very big, huge manual, what, like 2 pages. Yeah, like this, for example, this one here, this part, it's not even anywhere here. Helmet, this is a helmet, where is it? this one. Comes with lots of straps, and this is the helmet mount, right? So the cam goes like this, and you push it back, but I'm afraid to do it because then I probably won't be able to take it off. And then you use a strap either this way or this way, and you can put it on top of the cam. Yeah, then I watched another video on YouTube, and actually there is a bracket like this one here. It's not mentioned, right, in the manual, but you can use this to still connect your dash cam to the no, I think that's the other way, to the windshield. Yeah, like this. So this one goes into these holes here, right? And now you can use a tripod, or you can use this one. And I think that's what the guy did in the video I saw. So he just connects these pins here to this, and so the dash cam, basically the dash cam sits like this, and you can turn this, right? So I think this would work on my car. And here's how it looks assembled. I was able to assemble it. It's a really robust design. Or I can use it with my existing heavy-duty windshield mount, the one I used with the flip. And you see, because that tripod connector, it's much more secure. Like that thing that I just tried was falling out. See, but this one I can do the same thing and just hook it up to my windshield. Yeah, I think this one will be better, because I know this one works very well, and it has much more movement than the one provided with this camera. Hey, okay, maybe it will work. We'll see. I'm gonna try it tomorrow in my car. For now, let's take a look at some footage taken with this dash cam inside my hotel room.